Hello to anyone who is watching this. This is just me journaling my trades to become a profitable trader. Um, for just a little background, I started trading with FTMO and failed my 10K funded challenge on the first round. And this is my metrics on it. I started at 24 February and I started like learning about trading 2 weeks for this, I believe, or 1 week, and I failed at the 6th of March with a consistency of 67. As you can see, I exceeded the max daily loss, and average risk reward is 0.435 with a win rate of 65. And I did a lot of mistakes. As you can see, I was scalping. You can see that it's like 9 seconds, 34 seconds with lot size of 1 on a 10,000 account, so I wasn't even using, I was using more than 1% of the account, and as you can see, I lost it all in just one, or not one, but you can see it right here on one trade on gold. I held it on for 10 minutes and it reversed on me. So that's just a small background. You can see here are my stats, and I wanted to trade with a funded account immediately so I can feel the loss of money, of like real money, instead of using a demo account. But right now I'm subscribed to a demo account to see if my setup is working or not, basically. And today I'm going to show you a setup I took back in yesterday, I believe it was March 6th at around 10:30 a.m. This is I live in Canada, Vancouver, so 10:30 in Vancouver. I took a short trade, and I um, support and resistance, supply and demand, but depends. So basically, I saw that the market was kind of going bearish. If we can do a replay and select the part before this. Yep. So I made a mistake. First mistake is that I entered too late. My entry is really bad. So I entered all the way here. If I entered all the way here, alright, on the resistance where they were tapping, and do a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, put this above the resistance, and played it. Let's speed it up a little. I would have taken profit in just from, let's see, what time is this? 10:30 to 4, I believe, 4 or 5. But that's a mistake I didn't make. I tried trading on the 15-minute time, and I guess 15-minute is not, it's too much for me. And I'm more like a scalper type of person. And the reason why I lost the trade is because I didn't stick to my 1 to 3 ratio, And I also, I would say this. I took this because of obvious signs, I would say. I am a beginner trader, so if anyone who is more experienced than me, please do um, help me with this stuff. I'm still studying, trying to get better, but I thought it was still gonna go down, basically, because it touched the resistance and then I was waiting for it to go down. It kinda touched the supply, I guess, but this is one of the mistakes I did, and I'm trying to learn on it. It kinda did touch the supply part, but I didn't want to go against the trend, which is going down. But I guess it's going up now because it break of structure. I don't usually count this as break of structure, like this one, or even like this one's. I count major stuff as break of structure. Like if I go to the 15-minute, I want this structure to break first. This one to consider it as a reversal. I still have to learn on why I think that way. Maybe it's wrong, and that's why I'm taking a video to look back on it and reassess the situation. And I just want beginner traders like me to know these mistakes happen. This is my first trade on this trial account, and yeah, just want everyone to know that. But basically, the trend will not continue until this 30-minute swing low breaks, or 15, or just this normal swing low. It doesn't even have to be 30-minute. I just put 30-minute there because I looked at I do top-down analysis. So I think this is one of my mistakes that I need to fix on. So hopefully on my next trade, it's probably around the same time as this, I need to look at more supply and demand and support and resistance, and I'll upload a video on the second trade as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you continue going through this trading journey with me. Alright, bye bye.